I've traveled many places all over America, and this little town called Wetumpka, Alabama is definitely top of the list.
Well, welcome to Wetumpka!
Thank you so much, I love it here. When I arrived, Wetumpkians were excited to show me what big transformations were starting to happen. Josie! Yo, Neil!
Hi, Jason.
What's up, man?
Yeah.
How you doing? While I was here, I also learned what makes Wetumpka so unique.
We're the Whitfield family here in Wetumpka, Alabama, and we live in the historic Big Fish house.
The 2003 movie Big Fish was filmed here. The mayor is also the town barber. Oh, what a quirky, awesome.
It is, and we're just beginning.
And it's the site of a massive crater.
I'll tell you about the dinosaurs that existed when the meteorite hit.
I even received a cooking lesson at Coach's Corner.
We're going to do a grilled ribeye po' boy.
Wetumpka's famous local eatery located on the Coosa River.
If you walk out the back door, you get your feet wet.
This town may be small,
This is another one of my favorite parts about small town. See, watch.
but it's got a huge welcoming heart.
Being here is the first time I feel like I belong somewhere.
Seeing the projects Ben and Erin are taking on to help revitalize this community has been incredible.
Let's get started.
I'm super excited for this town and what's to come. Today, I'm sitting down with Ben and Erin in Laurel, Mississippi before the premiere of Home Town Takeover. Guys, thanks for sitting down with me here in Laurel to talk about this spectacular, wonderful, transformational show, Hgtv's Home Town Takeover.
It is hometown on the road.
In 4 months, 12 projects, a whole city, as fast as we can do it, teaching them what we've learned in Laurel,
I'm going to leave this homework up to you.
applying it to a whole other town
I love it.
where we've never been. Wetumpka, Alabama.
Why should someone tune in to watch Hometown Takeover?
Feel good stories,
If you're really into
Southern culture.
Southern culture,
You want to hear people say y'all?
a good
Yeah,
comeback
absolutely.
story.
A
Yeah.
good comeback story.
Totally. Transformations.
Which I know everybody watching HGTV, like that's
That's why you're here,
Y'all ain't watching it to get ideas. You're watching it for the transfer.
to see how much it changes.
That reveal, yep.
It's not a dark dungeon anymore.
It's so perfect.
What if you live in a small town, which the majority of us do?
I hope it inspires you to do something right where you are, to bloom where you're planted in whatever small town you're in. And you big city people too, you're welcome to be inspired.
Thanks, we appreciate that.
I was gonna say cute blondes or big burly bearded men.
No one likes those.
This is the place for you.
I beg to differ. There is a select group.
There's a select group.
Give me a tease of your favorite project.
There have been a few movies filmed in Wetumpka.
One of them happens to be my all-time favorite movie. The Big Fish House was obviously one that even our producers was like, please tell me we're going to get to do the Big Fish House. And they're like, Erin, we wouldn't send you to Wetumpka and not.
So you're gonna get a chance to work on like one of your favorite movie sets.
It's my all-time favorite movie. Yeah, we get to participate in movie history.
Oh man, here she is. I'm having a moment, y'all. This house is incredible. Can we go inside? Absolutely. Let's go.
So far, what's the most challenging part of making over a whole town?
Perception. It doesn't matter if the town's great or not. If people believe it's not, then it's not. And if they believe that it is, then it is.
And that's honestly where creative people, I think, are the most successful at changing perception. I mean, that's our superpower. Wow. And no matter how good the idea is or how much it's going to help, change is sometimes just hard.
What do you love about this series?
When we go on vacation, we go to small towns.
I just love to see what the flavor is, you know? What's the food like? What are the buildings like? What are the houses like?
At first glance, Boston and New York are very similar to somebody from a small town. Now that I have spent enough time in each one of those, I recognize those, and I love those places.
For their unique
their
flavor.
uniqueness.
Right. It's the same with small towns.
But you get it quicker.
Right. As you guys know, I'm from Alabama. We all know you're from Mississippi. It's where we are right now, but I just want to have a few multiple choice questions about Wetumpka.
Okay.
The name Wetumpka is derived from the creek description of the Coosa River, with which two words?
You know.
This is supposed to be multiple choice.
It is A, water and rumbling, B, rocky and wide, or C, fast and narrow.
Rumbling water.
You got it. When was the town established? 1875, 1901, or 1834?
1834.
Correct. Approximately how wide is the Wetumpka impact crater? 6 miles, 4.7 miles, or 10 miles?
4.7.
4.7.
Way to go, guys. Way to go. Okay. What's the name of the location in Wetumpka where you can find a full-scale replica of the Temple of Hera ruins as found in Olympia, Greece?
Jasmine Hill Gardens.
I didn't even have to,
So amazing.
It's absolutely beautiful. You got every question correct.
Yeah, we're honorary Wetumpkians.
Wow. But let's hit them with something they're not expecting. When did Alabama become a state?
1819.
He always wins.
He said it earlier.
Yeah. Ben always wins, and if you want to see him win some more, you've got to check out HGTV's Home Town Takeover. 12 projects, one of the largest things HGTV has ever done. It's an amazing show.
This season on Home Town Takeover.
That was awesome.
We're taking Wetumpka to new heights.
Yes! Right on the money! Wow.
This is incredible.
Oh my gosh, stop!
And unforgettable moments.
I don't like it.
What? No, Tony!
Holy moly.
To be the mayor and the barber?
Super small town.
Oh my goodness.
So this is Company Street. This is where it begins. This is the foundation of rebuilding. Oh, wow. This is no joke.
And more HGTV and Discovery friends here to help.
There we go.
This is what progress sounds like.
Look at this. Whoa.
And ignite the spark to start a movement in small towns across America.
It's not just a revitalization. Back towards y'all a little. This could become a small town movement.
Coming here has really lit something in me.
I mean, I'm realizing now, like, how big this really is. This place is getting better and better every single day.